Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Friday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, by now we're all aware of the Iraq news last night. President gave a short statement around 9:30 at night, and that pushed us really down into that second leg. So what's happening now? We traded as low as 90 quarter. You're seeing now, you're seeing the bounce off of that test again, the 100-day exponential moving average, which has been pretty important. It's been kind of a magnet. It hasn't been really good support or resistance. It's been very sloppily tested, but it's been a magnet nonetheless. I have one unit of swing short left. I've got a stop on it at 18 quarter. Took more last night at 03 quarter and took more again at 93 quarter. We got long some down in the 90, 93, 94 area. We got rid of that this morning, and we're just going to see how we open. We're trading below the 50-day exponential moving average. We're trading below the middle band. This is absolute sell rallies mode. You can't get sucked in to thinking that we're going to get some kind of a V off of this that ultimately takes out the highs and goes to the moon. Maybe we will. But to trade that way down here, it's not going to, unless you're right, and that's not a high percentage outcome. We've gotten spoiled into thinking it's a high percentage outcome because of the kind of uptrend we've been in. But that's not a high percentage outcome. What's a much higher percentage outcome is that we're going to go through a period now over the intermediate term of rallies, and those rallies need to be sold. We've seen time and again all week long. We saw yesterday, we saw the morning failure. We saw the failure the day before around noon. We've seen consistent failure of morning highs. And we've seen a market that has no desire to trade above the weekly pivot for the last 2 weeks. Last week's weekly pivot was 72. We did a reaction high off of the FOMC announcement. Where did it die? 72. Where did we die this week? 37.5. What's the weekly pivot? 36 and change. Where's the weekly pivot going to be next week? I don't know. Week's not over. But when we do, that's a number you got to get on your chart and you got to focus on it. The bulls have to break this morning high and die dynamic. But the morning highs that die, we've been saying that for years. That's what lower band rides are. They are AM highs that die. We are now in day 7. The bandwidth is only 5.38. When we started at 1.5, we were starting to look for a turnaround anywhere above 5. So we're at 5.38. We can start to think about a turnaround. But nothing's turning around until the bulls break through that dynamic. They have to put an entire day together, not just a morning. So that's what I'll be looking for. I would expect now, if we are going to turn this around, I would expect the lower band, which is right now 1898 and change, but that constantly moves. The lower band to be support if today is the day that we turn it around. If not, then you're going to see another day or two down here around the lower band. So, you can trade this stuff by selling, by selling rallies. Understand that a rally is there to be sold and trade in and out of it. It's not the time to plant the flag and say V bottom. That's a lot more about being right than it is about making money. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website. Come check out the chat room. Ton of new trials right now. It's a great time to start because there's a lot of people that would be learning along with you. So come check us out. If you do this stuff all day long, I think we can help your trading, and I think we could be, a valuable addition to what you do. So look forward to meeting everybody. Have a great weekend. I'll be back Monday morning with another webcast. Trade them well.